Hi everyone, it's Stu here from 3B. Now I don't tend to do unboxings, and this really isn't an unboxing because I've already unboxed it. Nobody really wants to see something come out of a box, you want to see what's in the box. So I've already taken it all out. This is the Assassin's Creed Odyssey Medusa edition. Ooh, because you get a figurine with who's the male hero protagonist, the dude in the in this version, standing on Medusa's head. So you get that. It's kind of okay. I think I prefer the figurine that I got last time from the Origins version of the game. From last year, I thought that was much better, although this isn't too bad. You also get the CD, the game, an art book, and two downloads, a Blind King mission, additional mission, and some additional sort of downloady stuff to make yourself look a bit fancy and your horse a bit special, and of course a nice box that it all goes in. Let's just quickly look through the art book. Standard fare really with these things, you know, we've seen them, you've seen one, you've kind of seen them all really. It's one of those things you look at maybe once or twice and go, oh yeah, that's pretty. So yeah, it looks like we've got the male guy. Right, it would have been nice if it had actually been the woman from this version rather than the dude. I think it would have been a nice touch, but never mind. But yeah, you know, standard things. It's just an art book that you look at for a few minutes whilst the game's loading, and you think, Christ, why did I spend £90 on this? And then you look at your figurine and go, yeah, that's why I spent £90 on this. Was it worth it? So yeah, this is the Assassin's Creed Odyssey Medusa edition. It comes out a full 2 days early, but by the time you receive it, I received it sort of late afternoon from Amazon, and by the time I get to play it, it'll be the weekend anyway, so it doesn't really make any difference whether I got it this week, today, or when it was the full launch, which is Wednesday, I believe. So there we go. Let me know what you think. Do you believe that these are a bit of a rip-off? Do you think they're worth their money? What's the best figurine that you've got in one of these? My only bugbear that I have with these, my only real complaint with these, other than they're a little bit steep, is that you never ever get the season pass with them. And I think if they include that with the price as well, it would be a really cool addition, but they never do. So there we go. That's it. That's the Assassin's Creed Odyssey Medusa edition. Let me know your thoughts. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to click the bell to be alerted of any more videos that I do. And I'll speak to you very soon.